Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to enable dark mode on YouTube PC and laptop. That is very easy. All you have to do is to go to your YouTube account. On the top right corner, kind of click the three dots, scroll down, and look for more tools. Scroll down again, and look for extensions, which is this one. Tap this extensions, and then tap the three vertical lines here. Scroll down again, and click this Open Chrome Web Store. Here, you need to go to the search bar and then type dark mode YouTube. Once it appears, all you have to do is to click. So this is what it looks like. All you have to do is to tap this one and then go to add to Chrome. Click the blue one here and then click add extension. After that, to get started, all you have to do is to tap this turn on sync. Then click yes, I'm in. And then wait for a few seconds and go to the extension icon in Google. Now all you have to do is to tap this one and then click this dark mode on YouTube. As simply as that. Now you turned on the dark mode. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.